Hello everyone, here Gopal Srivastav. I am taking your science student. Today we will study about some exercises of chapter number 5th. You know student, the name of this chapter is the matter and its states. In the previous classes I have completed some exercise true false and the concept check between the topics. After complete the all topics, there is a one concept check is remain. So let's ready to start the write down the question answer. So take the pencil, eraser, sharpener, pen, black and blue pen, and your homework copy as well as your science fair copy. Okay, so ready student, and open the page number 53. August 2020, class 4th, subject science. Generally I will explain today the exercise exercises of chapter 5th, matter and states. Okay, concept check, page number 53. Open student page number 53. I am also taking the book for explanation of the concept check. So you will tick only the in your book. Don't write in any fair copy or your homework copy as well as class work copy. So first question: an insoluble substance among the following is: sugar is soluble, salt is soluble, salt is not soluble, lemon drops means lemon juice is also soluble in water. So take the answer number first, that is C, sand. Answer number 2, in lemon and water is a solvent, and lemon is a, this is not a solvent because all substances are not dissolved in the lemon juice, so lemon will be soluble. So your answer will be A. Take this, solute. Answer number 3, the gas soluble in water is, oxygen is soluble, carbon dioxide is also soluble, nitrogen not soluble. So answer D, both A and B. So tick this D. Both A and B. Answer number 4, when sugar is dissolved in water, the volume of water, in previous classes I am explained this, the level of water does not increases or does not decreases, it remains the same because there are more intermolecular space are found in between the molecules of the liquid. So when sugar dissolve in liquid, it take the space between them and their level does not increases. So the answer will be the remain same. Remain same. Increases not correct, decreases not correct, remain same. Yes. First increases, then decreases. What is this? Not true. So the correct answer is C. C. Tick this. Remains REMAINS. Remains same. Okay, student. Tick this in your textbook. Okay. And one more thing, student. There is a key terms which are given after the complete of the topics and before the starting of exercise of this chapter, any chapter. So write down all key terms in your fair copy. Fair copy means notebook before the starting of the exercises, because it is very important for the learning of the different exercises, because so many answers are given in the key terms. Okay, in examination I shall ask some the definition about, suppose write the definition of the matter. What is matter? What is mass? What is volume? What is molecule? So student, please write this in your fair copy. Don't write in your fair rough copy. Write it down in the fair copy. Okay. Now student, I hope you are completed this, and now I am going to rub this. Student, exercises, open page number 55 of chapter number 5. First is fill in the blanks. Okay, so fill direct in the book with the help of pencil. So I am going to read. A dash is the smallest particle that can exist independently. You know, all states of matter are made up of the tiny particles called molecules. So answer will be a molecule is the smallest particle. So first write down molecules. molecules. molecules in the place of dash. Okay. Second, this is the answer. Shape of some dash can be changed by applying force. You know, all liquid and gases are compressed very easily, but some solids can also be pressed by applying some force. You know, student, rubber ball or eraser, this is the also solid, but we can change their shape by applying some force. So write down the correct answer is solids. Some solids are also change their shape after applying force. Answer number third. Dash is the process in which a gas changes into a liquid on cooling. A gas means water vapor changes into the liquid. What is the process? Condensation. 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 Write down condensation in the between the gap. And answer number 4. First, dash are the substances which have neither fixed shape nor volume. You know, student, gas have neither their volume neither their shape. Both are not fixed because their molecules are apart from each other. So the correct answer will be gases. GASES, gases. And answer number 5. States of matter are. States of matter what? Exist. If question asks exist, then you can write down the 3. But states of matter are changeable. Solid change into liquid change into water vapor change into solid change into the liquid. This is called interchangeable. So the correct answer will be interchangeable. Write down interchangeable, changeable. Interchangeable. interchangeable, interchangeable. So student, write down in the book. I am giving some seconds. Do complete. Okay, student. Now I am going to rub this. First molecule, second solid, third condensation, fourth gases, and fifth interchangeable. Now I am going to your next exercises, that is match the column A with the column B. When it is given in your, suppose in your unit test, what is the way of write down this? But in online process I will discuss. But suppose when you are sitting in the classroom, live classroom, and present you and me both, what is the way of write down in the answer sheet? Mission. Second, write down this match the following columns, columns. Okay, so suppose column A, column B. Okay, don't write this, otherwise you can write down first, second, third, fourth and fifth. Write down first all the sentence. Okay, and write down the correct answer in the column B. And other way of the write down this answer, this. Answer first. Solid. The correct answer in column B is, what is solid? Solid, insoluble in water, no. Ability to flow, no. closely packed molecules. Closely packed molecules. This is correct. First C. Second, gases. Gases. You know, all gases can flow from one place to the another place. So insoluble in water, no ability to flow. Ability to flow. And closely packed molecules, not solute fluids. Fluids means, you know what is fluids? Fluids can flow from one place to the another place. Means gases flow from one place to the another place. Liquid also flow from one place to the another place. The correct answer will be D. D. Answer 2. Answer third. Chalk. Insoluble in water. Ability to flow. Closely packed molecules. Fluids. Solute. You know, chalk in the column B, the suitable answer will be insoluble in water. So A is the correct column of the point third of column A. Fourth, sugar. Sugar insoluble in water, not ability to flow, not closely fluids. This is solute. This is a part of solute. E. Answer fifth, fluidity. Fluidity means ability to flow from one place to the another place. So the right answer of question 5th is B. So student, you can write down this way: first A, 2D, 3A, A in the book direct. In the front of column A, write down this way. Okay. First C, second D, third A, fourth E, and fifth B. Okay. I will revise in your classwork copy, but present time don't write in the fair copy. Write in your direct in your book. Okay, student. So complete in the book. Okay, student, completed it. Okay, I am going to rub this. First C, second D, third A, fourth A, and fifth B. Write down immediate in the book. C, D, A, E, B. C, D, A, E, B. Now your next question is, what is this? Given in the book. Okay. Third, define the following in one word. In one word. When you learn the all topics, all the key terms, this is able to explain the all exercise of the define the following in one word. If you write down the key terms. So it is very important to write and learn the key terms. Third, define the following in one word. Define the following in one word. One word answer. So student, don't write in fair copy, direct write down in your book. Okay, I will revise it in your class. Okay, so write down with the help of pencil. Don't use pen. First, answer number first. The smallest independent particles that makes up all the matter. All matter make up by molecules. Write down molecules. The smallest independent particles that makes up all the matter, that is called molecule. Answer CQ. Substances that can flow from one place to the another. I have already discussed in the math. The following means fluidity. FLUIDI TI TY. FLUIDI TY. Fluidity. FLUIDI TY. Answer third. The liquid obtained by dissolving a solute in a solvent. What liquid form when solute and solvent mixed? A solution is formed. So the one word answer will be solution. Solution will be formed. Fourth. The process by which a liquid change into the solid on cooling. Suppose liquid water change into the ice on cooling. This is process known as freezing. Write down FREEZING. Freezing. Okay. And answer number fifth. States of matter having loosely packed molecules. Loosely packed. Some loosely packed, totally loosely packed. It is found in the gases. GASES. Okay, write down. Write it in the book. Okay, so student, first of all, write and learn all the key terms in the here copy, and also learn the all exercise which are solved in the direct in your book. So the next question I shall be discuss in your next online classes. So write down today's homework. Write all key terms in here copy. First, learn today's solved chapter 3. Today's solved, which is solved in your online classes. Fill in the blanks, match the column, one word. Okay, student? So learn all the exercises. So this is very necessary to revise all the exercises, okay, at your home. So student, stay indoor and stay fit, okay student, and follow the social distancing. Thank you. Have a nice day. Your class is over.